Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy whole page in Microsoft Word. So get started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video, now I will show that copy whole page. Now select from the page. Now select from the all text option. Now keyboard press from the Ctrl A. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the copy option. That's now first page is the copy. Now going to the file menu option. Now click for the new option. Then click for the blank document option. Now for click. Then click for the now going to the home menu option. Now click for the paste option. That's it. Then show the copy whole page in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.